Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the trending list on the MANGA Plus application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you go to the lower bar on the screen, click to the second icon, the fire next to the updates, and here you can find the 3 ranking list: the hottest, the trending, and the completed. New. If you want to check the trending manga list, go to the second button, the trending, and you can check that. And if you want to, for example, read one, just click that, for example, the inverse. You can check the infos about the manga and you can find the chapters. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.